blueberry peanut butter chocolate smoothie. Hope my girlfriend doesn't watch this. So welcome back everybody to another episode of Mikentires, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite subject of all time. That will be tools. You can see my lovely toolbox right back here. I like to take care of my tools. I like to keep them organized, clean all the time. That way when I need them, I have them, they're ready to go. See a quick overview of my garage. I mean, you can see I got a welder right there. I got my drill press, some oil pans. I got a brake right over there. And then I got this beauty of a Camaro sitting right here, which make sure to subscribe because the video on that will be coming out very, very soon. It is not mine, but I do have access to the keys. So I'm gonna get in some trouble. So back at it, we're gonna be talking about tools. My lovely toolbox here. So when you open up the top drawer, I mean, look at that. Nice, neat, organized. I can find everything I need whenever I need it. I don't have to spend 30, 40 minutes trying to find that 10mm socket through the mess of stuff. On top of the 1,000 times, I'm probably gonna lose it on the car or whatever project I'm working on. Because, well, anybody who's ever worked on cars before knows, you put one tool down, it grows legs, walks away, and finds itself into the smallest, darkest crevice ever imaginable made by engineers. So my biggest pet peeve is when I go into somebody else's house and helping them knock out a project on their car or something like that, and I go, oh yeah, go get it from the toolbox. Sure, what drawer? I don't know. Really? You don't know? It's your toolbox. You set it up. I don't want to spend 20 minutes looking for one thing when you open up a tool drawer and then you got nothing but a mess. And look at this. Look at this. I have organizers for my wrenches. Look, they're still horrible. Screwdrivers. Again, same thing. Look at this. What is this, Mike? Why? At least these are a little easier to figure out what you're looking at versus having to go through every single, oh wait, which one's 10 mil? No, that's a 12. It's a 13. That's a ratchet, I don't need that. Do I need to study? This is ridiculous. So if you got a toolbox that looks like this, for the love of God, fix it. These things are super cheap. I'll put a link below to Amazon for you guys to pick these up. They're quick, they're simple. You know exactly what tools you're missing. No different than these socket rail sets. Each one's got the size. Oh, that's heavy. Come on, focus. Got your size, everything. I know exactly which tools I'm missing when. That way, if they're somewhere they're not supposed to be, or I just lost them or broke them, I know what I need to replace. There's no questions asked. It's nice and simple. That's it. Take care of your tools. Organize them so you know where you need them. I got tools all over the place. I mean, just not here. If we just look at my shelf, look, I got a chop saw, got a miter saw, got a sawzall, battery powered drill, an impact driver. I got stuff all over the place. But I've been working on cleaning this place up because I want to make this where I record my videos for Mikentires. As you guys know, I got two channels. I got my Mike Ace channel, which is my kind of vlogging, whatever, camera equipment stuff. Talk about the stuff I'm using to record this, like this lovely light. You haven't catch my video about that? Put on the link up here for you. But I've been cleaning everything up so that way I have room so I can talk about like this beauty right here of the car. So make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something today. Make sure to pick up a couple of these organizing trays out there for you. I'll put a link for the ones for my sockets. I'll put a link for the wrench one. It saves so much room when you have everything organized. But until next time, catch you all later. Peace.